We found a baby Friarbird on the ground. Its parents were nearby, but we couldn't see the nest. After taking some instructions, we made a makeshift nest out of an old garden pot. We used a screwdriver to make 2 holes up the top of the garden pot and then threaded wire through them so that we could hang the little makeshift nest over a branch. I lined the inside of the nest with an old bird's nest that I'd found from last spring. Then we put the bird in. The parents lovingly cared for it, feeding it, sleeping near it at night, and trying to keep it warm and comfortable when there was rain. We kept a close eye on the baby bird too, and when we saw it back on the ground, each time we'd pick it up and pop it back in its new nest. The parents kept an eye out for danger for the little bird as well. And they kept a close eye on the water dragon that was scoping their baby bird. And on the 5th day, we noticed that the little baby bird wasn't anywhere to be found. We couldn't see it on the nest, and we couldn't see it anywhere in the branches nearby, so we looked on the ground. We couldn't see it on the ground anywhere either, and the parents were nearby, so we were wondering what was going on. And then my husband said,
"That's the bird over there." Oh no, the lizard got it and killed it.
It was very sad. We felt sorry for the little baby bird and for its parents, and they came around the next morning just to see if they could find their baby, but obviously it wasn't to be found. In the end, we all did our best, and that's all that anyone could ask of us, but the outcome wasn't up to us. We weren't the ones in control. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.